Senator, this is quite a lot different than it was the last time I was here. I appreciate all the attention. I would like to introduce my family who are here.
Yes.
My wife, Louise, who, as you remember, stole the show in the East Room the day I was nominated.
Okay. Yes. Portion of the hearing with. In recent months, I've heard that now more than ever, we need a justice who is independent and who respects the separation of powers. Some of my colleagues seem to have rediscovered an appreciation for the need to confine each branch of government to its constitutional sphere. I don't question the sincerity of those concerns. Some of us have been alarmed by executive overreach and the threat it poses to separation of powers. Whether it was the executive branch unilaterally rewriting federal law, as the Obama administration did dozens of times, or the executive's repeated failure to enforce and defend the laws passed by Congress over the last 8 years, we've witnessed repeated abuses by one branch at the expense of the other two. Just ask the Supreme Court, which unanimously rejected arguments of the Obama administration made in more than 40 cases. The policies that drove those abuses were, of course, problematic, but policies can be changed and must be changed. Just scratch your head. Truth be, no matter your politics, for all of these reasons, you should be concerned about the preservation of our constitutional order and, most importantly, the separation of powers. And if you're concerned about these things, as you should be, I want you to meet Judge Neil Gorsuch. Fortunately for every American, we have before us today a nominee whose body of professional work is defined by an unfailing commitment to these principles. His grasp on the separation of powers, including judicial independence, enlivens his body of work. The laws instead of us senators.